Mastering Interactive Communication for C2 Proficiency, CPE. Hello, wonderful learners. In today's video, we're diving deep into the speaking section of the Cambridge English Qualifications, focusing on the C2 Proficiency, CPE, exam. One of the key aspects that often puzzles candidates is interactive communication. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what interactive communication entails and how to excel in it. Interactive communication isn't just about speaking English fluently. It's about engaging in a conversation where you listen, respond, initiate topics, and develop ideas together with your partner. In the context of the C2 Proficiency exam, it's your ability to listen to your partner and respond relevantly. Take your turn to lead the conversation. Collaborate to achieve a goal, such as solving a problem or discussing a topic in depth. Interactive communication is at the heart of the speaking test. The examiners aren't just looking for correct grammar and vocabulary. They're evaluating your capacity to engage in real, dynamic conversations in English. This mirrors real-life scenarios where you'll have discussions, debates, and collaborations. So, mastering this skill isn't only for the exam. It's for your lifelong journey with the English language. 1. Active listening. Pay attention to your partner. Nod. Use short verbal acknowledgements like, "Aha," "I see," and show genuine interest in what they're saying. 2. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of asking questions that have yes or no answers, encourage deeper conversation by asking how, why, or what questions. 3. Expand on ideas. Don't give short responses. Elaborate on your ideas and give reasons. 4. Use fillers thoughtfully. While it's okay to use fillers like and occasionally, try to keep them minimal. Instead, if you need time to think, phrases like, "That's a good question," or "Let me think for a moment," can be helpful. 5. Practice collaborative tasks. Engage in group discussions or duo presentations on various topics to simulate the exam's interactive communication section. 1. Overdominating the conversation. Remember, it's a two-way street. Give your partner space to speak. 2. Not listening actively. Avoid preparing your next point while your partner is speaking. Instead, focus on their words and respond relevantly. 3. Using too many fillers. This can make you seem unsure or unconfident. Practice pausing instead. 4. Staying on surface-level topics. Dive deeper into topics. Don't be afraid to discuss intricacies and share your insights. Interactive communication is a beautiful dance between listening and speaking, leading and following. By honing this skill, not only will you be better prepared for the C2 Proficiency speaking test, but you'll also be equipped to have richer, more meaningful conversations in English. We hope you found this video enlightening. Keep practicing, keep communicating, and see you in the next video.